In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund receipt in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to issue a proper refund so your customer gets their money back and your books stay accurate and tidy. Start by heading to the left sidebar. From there, click the Create button. This opens the main menu of Forms. Under the Customers category, look for Refund Receipt and click it. A refund receipt is the form you use when you're giving money back to a customer and you want that refund recorded immediately, tied to a specific payment method and account. At the top of the refund receipt, choose the customer you're refunding from the Customer field. Selecting the correct customer ensures the refund appears in their history and keeps your records consistent with the original sale. Next, add an email. Including an email lets you send your customer a confirmation copy if needed, and provides a documented trail. Then add a billing address so the receipt has complete customer details. Accuracy here helps with audit trails and customer service follow-up. Now, choose the payment method you're using to issue the refund and specify where you will refund from. This is important. The payment method tells QuickBooks how the customer is getting paid back, while the refund from account determines which of your accounts the money comes out of, such as a bank account, a credit card processing account, or cash on hand. Matching the original payment method when possible keeps your records clear and helps with reconciliation. Next, add the product and service items on the rows below. Enter the items you're refunding just as they appeared on the sale, including quantities, rates, and any tax if it applied. Mirroring the original sale helps keep your revenue, tax, and inventory aligned. If you track inventory, this step also ensures stock levels adjust correctly. You'll also see more options below. Use these to fine-tune details like the refund date or to add a memo that explains the reason for the refund. Notes are helpful for your internal reference and for anyone reviewing the transaction later. Take a moment to review totals and make sure everything on the receipt reflects what you intend to refund. When everything looks right, simply click Save at the bottom right. Saving records the refund, updates the customer's activity, and adjusts your financials accordingly. That's it. Your refund receipt is complete, accurate, and ready for your records.